How's it going, folks? Got something new for you today. Something a little different that I went into debt for. Back in debt again. Thought for a second I was opening it up upside down over there. Over here to my neighbors to do the video for it. There we go. There's an Eagle 50 cal.
That's a mighty big hole there, Jim.
They leave a mighty big hole. That's the whole idea. Got a 1911 style frame on it. Look at them.
1911 Zilla.
Yeah. It comes with the 44 Magnum. This is a 58E for those that don't know, that are unaware. But it comes with the 44 Magnum also, as well as the 357. Now, when you put 357 barrel on it, you also have to change out the bolt carrier. Of course, each different round size has its own magazine. You get 9 in the 357, 8 in the 44, and 7 in the 50 cal.
I shot one of those back in the 80s. It was just a 357.
You know, it's the size of my dang thumb.
Yeah. That's a hoss.
Yeah. And they only come 5 to a box. Of course, I got a box of 20, but
4-pack.
Yep. That was it. That was $2,500. But I wanted this specific kit because of the 44 and the 357, as well as the 50. You got your little sock to put it in. I played hell finding a holster for it.
Yeah. What are you going to...
They do make them.
I'm surprised you don't have to haul on a trailer behind you.
Oh, they
See,
do.
when I think of the Desert Eagle, I can't help but think of the Russian guy in Boondock Saints, and he had the little was it the
smiley face,
the Russia emblem on the front.
Oh,
that was fun.
I'd say it's probably about a good 8 pounds loaded like that.
Yeah, it's a lot of gun, man. That gun, the only purpose that gun serves, okay,
it's to scare the crap out of people.
Well, it's to remove all doubt that mine is bigger than yours.
Well, there's that. But yeah, I wanted one of these for like 15 years, and when they first came out with them, when I first saw them in Harley Davidson and the Marlboro Man in '96, that's when I finally got to watch that movie. But they'd been out since like '91, and I've wanted one ever since I first saw them. Of course, I've seen them in several movies. Nicolas Cage had a pair of them that he brandished in Casino, I think it was.
Oh yeah, that's so much BS.
Well, he had the yeah. You're not brandishing them like that. Maybe with blanks. Yeah. I don't think you can do that with the
squid loads.
Yeah, I don't think you can do that with this one. But since it's loaded up,
we better.
Getting kind of on the dark side now.
Hang on, I got a target here somewhere.
Oh, cool. Then I won't have to use your dump sign.
Well, I may have put them out.
Well, then we'll have to use your dump sign.
Yeah. Well, you can always.
Just spray paint a dot on the. paper.
Yeah. They make Sharpies for, right? Let's see here. Or something. So.
Oh.
So anyway, we're at MacGyver's workshop here, and you know, he was showing me his hand cannon over there, and of course this is an old high standard HD military, belonged to my father-in-law. I guess he had it when he was in the military or something, but it was in amongst his guns, and I got it when he passed. But I just thought it was kind of funny, you know, I'd bring it out, and you know, this is a pretty big gun, even though it's a 22, but you know, it's big and heavy, but you know, it's compared to that Desert Eagle, it's like, where's its mommy?
Right.
Oh, well, there it is. So, but anyway, I'm happy to film you there while you're shooting there, Hoss, and I will.
You got
I will.
a bright colored paint we can put a dot on there, or
Yeah. Let's see. I think I've got some. Maybe some silver. Yeah.
that'll work. Yeah, nice little 20-yard shot. Oh, smiley face. Comedian.
Fire in the hole. Range is hot. Hang on. Let me zoom in on the target here. Go ahead. Fuck me running. Sorry, you're probably gonna have to bleep that out. I felt the concussion on that all the way over here. Christ.
Ready for that. Holy crap. Woo!
Damn.
I believe that'll be enough.
Jeez, that thing was loud.
Let's
give him some a relative you know, indicator of what that is compared to a 22. Yeah, this thing doesn't feed worth a shit.
Yeah.
That's a high standard for you.
We went from whoosh to eh.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I've never felt it in my face like that before.
Yeah, you definitely got some concussion going on there.
Oh yeah. And it comes back hard. That's why even more I don't believe they were shooting anything but blanks in that movie.
Oh, for heaven's sakes, yes. It's always a luck of the draw if your 22 rounds going to go off.
Right. Sometimes it does. Sometimes you gotta cock the hammer back and try again.
My failed attempt in here.
So you put the freckles, I put the dimples.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, you want me to shoot one? Yeah. Which target were you shooting at?
The upper left.
Okay.
You just cock the hammer back and you're ready to go.
All right, safety off?
Yep.
All right, I'll go for the nose.
Hang on to it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Woo wait. Let's go see how we did. You can't see nothing for the damn muzzle flash.
I know. Well, there's one. There's one. There's one down there. I don't know how I managed that. That was the second shot.
Pretty good group there.
Yeah, not bad on the 22s.
I guess one of them hit the nose.
Did it?
I don't know where the other ones went.
See, I was aiming in the exact same spot every time, but I doubt it went in the exact same hole every time.
Well, I mean, I think he's got a hell of a kick.
Yeah. The kick ain't as bad as the concussion, though, like you were saying.
Yeah.
Like I'm concussion. Whoa, right in the face.
Yeah, well, and it's the muzzle flash. You hit one pretty low, I guess.
It had to be the one that went in. Well, I didn't aim it that low. I held it right dead on that eye, the exact same spot every time. But yeah, I guess one could have gone straight like that.
Oh, who knows? I wasn't watching you. I was watching the target, zoomed in on it.
Yeah. Anyway.
So I can't speak to your technique one way or the other.
Well, now they had a box down there of 250 rounds for this for $334.
Jesus Christ.
I was not inclined to partake in that offer. But yeah, that's...
You're going to have to... Now you just clean it.
Oh, cleaning's easy. That's the easiest part of owning that whole gun.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure it comes apart, breaks down real nice.
Oh, yeah, especially with it being a convertible.
Mm-hmm. You got you a hog leg there, friend.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, hog leg, because that's what they called the...
Well, I think technically a revolver is a hog leg, but, you know, that thing can call itself whatever the hell it wants
Exactly, and not make any apologies for it.
Mm-hmm.
I did think this was kind of neat the way they got this case made, though.
Yeah.
It actually came in this case with the...
Nice. Lock, I can tell you, you can lock a case for sure.
I wouldn't take it to the airport or anything, but...
Yeah.
Well, you know, you can transport weapons and ammunition together as long as they're not the weapon's not loaded when you put it in. You can actually transport it on a plane in its own locked container that goes underneath and have it when you get where you're going. But
just not carry on.
Well, you're right. That would be a bad thing. Anyway, that's what I got for you for this one for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.